Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have household empties to share. Everyday napkins, and these are 10 by 13 napkins, 150 count. I always buy these for nail art, mostly in the napkin holder, and we'll use those when we eat, and they always work fantastic. Highly recommend them. And I kept this package because I think this is a good deal at the Dollar Tree. The 8 individual packs of the 2-ply tissues. You get 9 tissues in each package. And these are great. We buy them every year, especially around code season. And I put them in Connor's backpack. I keep them in my purse. Top. Love them. And then this time I saved some toilet paper packaging, because I love this one. We always buy Angel Soft. We prefer the Angel Soft brand. I found these scented tubes in Fresh Vanilla Blossom. This smelled so good. Probably my favorite scent so far. I love vanilla in general, but this was really, really nice. I loved this one. And this is the 8 mega roll. Oh, fantastic. Highly recommend. Of course, I had to say foil. This one's from the Dollar Tree, 40 square feet. I do like this one. The roll is easily messed up if you're not careful. It is kind of thin, but for the deal, not a bad foil. This one is alright. It's from the Dollar General, 20 square feet for $1. I think this one's a little bit worse than the Dollar Tree one. And these sheets here are from the Dollar General, 30 for $1. Honestly, you can't beat that, but I find that these sheets are getting smaller and smaller, and they don't even cover an entire cookie sheet anymore. So I am leaning towards buying the foil rolls now at the budget price versus these, because they just don't do what I want them to do anymore. I need them to line pans. They don't really do that anymore. From True Living, which is Dollar General, these shaped scrubbers. This one's seen better days, but this is what they look like. And they kind of, protect your manicure. I love these. We'll continue to purchase these. There is 5 in here for $1. You can't beat that. It is cheaper than Dollar Tree. These work fantastic. I love these. They're hard to find. My store hardly ever keeps them in stock, or they're selling out, which is probably the case. But I love these sponges. And while we're still talking about kitchen items, let's just jump into the dish soap. This is from Clorox, and this is the Sweet Rose Water Scent 12 fluid ounces, Dollar General for $1. This took quite a bit to get the suds I needed, and then the suds didn't last. This one I don't recommend. It wasn't very good. It does leave a lasting scent on your dishes no matter how much you rinse them, so that's a little offsetting as well. The fact that this literally will be in the water and I'll put the dishes in, and like 5 minutes later there's like no suds left in the water, not cool. I'm not a fan of this. Won't purchase it again. I do think the packaging is cute and it's got a good selling point. The scent was nice, but I don't like that it lingered on the dishes. The Gain Ultra Clean. This is in the lemon zest scent. It was 8 fluid ounces. This came from the Dollar Deals aisle also at Dollar General. This was fantastic. I've used Gain before in the past. It's really good. I definitely would repurchase that again for $1 over this. My Dollar General don't always have this for $1, but when they do, I'm going to start looking out. Same as this. I've been using on this stuff forever, and it's still going. Highly recommend this Home Bright Ultra Dish Spray in the Dollar Deals at Dollar General. Fantastic. Bomb.com. Go get you some. Now, we already know how much I love Palmolive, so these collectively, amazing. Highly recommend. Palmolive. This is the 20 fluid ounce. This is one of my favorite scents. If I was going to buy one that was scented, the almond milk and blueberry scent. I love this one. It's so good, and it's so moisturizing and like not drying on your hands. So I love it for that as well, and it just smells amazing. My all-time favorite Palmolive is the Ultra Strength. This is the 70 fluid refill bottle. This refilled my container 5 times. See, I mark it on the side there. This lasted as a refill for 4 months. Yes, and this is under $8. So I cannot complain. This stuff's amazing. A little goes a long way. And I can't say enough about this particular product. Absolutely love it. Highly, highly recommend if you're looking for a good dish soap that performs. This item I used all over the house, and it's the Spick and Span Hawaiian Blossom Lasting Fresh Scent. This is a multi-surface cleaner, and I use this, and it's 28 fluid ounces. This smells amazing. If you find the scent or any of the other Spick and Span scents, definitely recommend them. I usually get a lemon scent of Spick and Span, but one day I found this one and it was really nice. I just kept refilling my bottles, and I use this to clean the floor. I use this on the counters, messes, all that fun jazz, you know. I use it to clean everything. This stuff is amazing. I highly recommend Spick and Span. It is on the cheaper side, but it does work, it does perform, and I ain't mad at it. This little air freshener came from DollarTree, and I would say the product in this was not great. Like, you can only smell it when you're right up on it, and I mean like literally holding it to your nose. It was in the fresh linen scent. It was cute because this was all like filled with blue liquid, but when you take the back off, it only is half full. Did roughly, I would say 5 weeks, and I put this in the bathroom. I set it right on the back of the toilet, and you just couldn't smell it. So I won't be purchasing this again. It was pretty, and they possibly sell refills. You possibly could refill this. But yeah, I'm just not a fan. Not a fan. Don't recommend. Another item I like to use all over the house is the Good and Clean disinfecting wipes. Lemon scent. This is a bonus of 30 wipes, which I feel like is a pretty decent deal for $1.25. Sometimes I can find these at Dollar General for $1, but they're not in this container. They're just in a soft package. Definitely recommend these. They work fantastic, and they're good at cutting grease. They have that claim, and they're actually good at it. And then also in the bathroom, I had this Lime Away, and this is my preferred toilet cleaner. 16 fluid ounces. It does all the hard, gross stains, and you can also use this other places in the bathroom. It doesn't just have to be the toilet. You can use this on any tough stain, soap scum, anything in the bathroom. This stuff I found at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Highly, highly recommend. You won't find it for $1.25 anywhere else. Now, the last final items I have are laundry items. The extra nice and fluffy fabric softener dryer sheets, 30 for $1 at Dollar General. I feel like not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. They smell good too. They do what they're supposed to. These are from Clorox, and they're the scent beads. This one's in lavender and eucalyptus. Once again, not the biggest fan of lavender, but because it has the eucalyptus in it, it kind of overpowers it for me. And I will buy these in wash scent boosters. 12 ounces. Love these. Actually, they're really good. And I found a bonus size, so 20% more. So this was the 12 ounce pack. Definitely will repurchase these. Recommend them for $1. And this scent is Hawaiian. I love this one. This was my favorite one. And normally they come in 10 ounces unless you find that bonus size. Highly recommend these. I can't say enough about them. It lingers forever on your clothes. They're very strong. These are fantastic. And the Home Line Disinfecting Bleach. Great stuff. It served its purpose. Bleach. The Laundry Stain Removal, which this bottle has seen better days. It did its job. It done what it was supposed to do. of a 10-year-old, so lots of stains going on in this house. And then last but not least, the Suavital Complete. Love this stuff. This one's in the 46 fluid ounce bottle. I love this. I purchased this for under $5 at Dollar General. And I love that not only does this one do wrinkles and fabric soften, but it also has a stain remover in it as well, and a color protector. I really love this stuff. Highly recommend it. That is my household empties for today. Hope you enjoyed and found the reviews helpful. Maybe you'll try some of these products out for yourself. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.